fuck? Are you kidding me? I just literally talked to you for like a 5-minute video and it didn't record. I'm gonna kill myself. Alright, I'll say it all over again. I was talking to myself. It won't be as good. Anyway, what I wanted to say, this is in summary, because now I'm kind of upset. Summary is, oh, I said it was freezing yesterday. It was like 40 degrees. And I was saying that neither Shrav nor Jess have a coat. I don't know how they do that. This was me being small talky. God, I'm so pissed. Anyway, I was supposed to leave in about now, but I have to get dressed and get on my bike. But I'm too lazy. So I was like, I'll video Kevin, because I haven't sent you a video in a while. And I don't know if you care about videos or if you wish I sent more, but I hear him sending one. So, this is me, in case you forget. And I just finished my Greek paper that I had to write. Now I'm gonna go over there and check my email real quick. Oh, we have internet. I don't know if I told you. We have internet. We're gonna get a wireless router on tomorrow evening. We didn't even have to have the guy come back because the online light came back on, and Jess was like, yeah, it's been on all the time, so we don't have any problems. We canceled the tech guy. I'm so excited to be online and we can IM each other all the time. Maybe I'll get Skype. In any event. Okay, just making sure that recorded. Maybe it recorded and then stopped after like 100 seconds. In which case, I'm gonna send you 2 videos because I don't know what I forgot to say. Anyway, I'll stop. Midterms are beautiful. You're beautiful. I hope your midterms were beautiful. That's a lie. They weren't beautiful. They were like, you know, okay. I'm hoping for a low A in geology and not a B in geology. But we'll find out. I'll stop because I'm supposed to get up and go away. But enjoy life. I'll talk to you soon. I'm going to Andrews this weekend. That's what I said. I'm going to Andrews this Friday. And that'll be good. But other than that, Jess and Shrav are going home this weekend. And I'm going to be here by myself, so I'm going to kill myself. But I'll probably end up maybe hanging out with Veronica or something. Anyway, I'll talk to you around. Have a good night, Kevin. I love you.